All right, let's talk about some good news for a change, because we could all use some. There's a new decentralized application, a dApp, built to take the wild, stressful guesswork out of figuring out what your car is actually worth and what your house is actually worth. It's called the GCV dApp, and it's here to bring calm to the chaos of buying and selling. Think of it as a super smart friend who's done the homework for you, so you don't have to. The GCV value is the fair market price, right here, right now. Simple, helpful, clear, no more random guesses. One solid number to start with. It's time to stop guessing and finally start knowing. So, you've heard me mention this term, GCV. It sounds fancy, but it's simpler than it seems. GCV stands for General Current Value. General looks at the big picture, the whole market, not one opinion. Current means today's value, what it's worth right now. Value is the market's number, the price buyers are paying for items like yours. It's a smart blend of many factors, not a single data point. For cars, make, model, year, mileage, condition, service history, and recent local sales. For houses, address, square footage, bedrooms, bathrooms, condition, nearby comps, and local trends. One shared number, common ground. Why focus only on cars and houses? Data, impact, stability. These assets are heavily documented, creating a rich ocean of trustworthy data. High transaction volume means better comparisons and more accurate values. Unique, one-off items lack comps. Accuracy suffers. Cars and homes are the biggest, most stressful transactions most of us make. Start where impact is largest, then expand. Build a rock-solid foundation. Stable, secure, accurate. Once proven, add more asset categories. Get these right, and lives change for the better. The headline, clear data-backed values for your car and your home. Simple to use, transparent, built to help everyone feel more in control. Good news, it's incredibly simple. 4 easy steps. Step 1, open the dApp and choose, car or house. Step 2, enter basics, make, model, year, mileage, and condition, or your home's address, size, beds, baths, condition. Step 3, hit Calculate GCV. The algorithm searches verified databases and recent sales. Step 4, get a single fair number, plus a report showing exactly how it was calculated. Clean, uncluttered interface. No ads, no confusing menus. From question to answer, fast and painless. Less like filing taxes, more like ordering pizza. A fair market price, right when you need it. Meet John, ready to sell his reliable 2016 compact sedan. 60,000 miles, well kept, no major accidents. He worries about pricing too low or too high. He downloads GCV, opens it, and taps car. Make and model year 2016, 60,000 miles, condition good. He taps calculate, waits a moment, skeptical. Result, general current value, $9,500. Pulled from recent local sales, dealers and private, within 50 miles. Comparable 1, comparable 2, comparable 3, clearly shown. Full report explains adjustments and links to public listings. He lists at 9,900 with confidence and shares the report. Trust builds. Negotiations get smoother. Meet Maria. First-time buyer eyeing a modest 1,200 square foot bungalow. Asking price, $235,000. But is it fair? A friend recommends GCV. Maria taps house. She enters the address. 200 square feet, 3 bedrooms, condition fair. The dApp cross-references public records and the local MLS. 3 nearby sales within 90 days, clearly mapped. One nicer at $230K, one nearly identical at $218K. GCV returns $220,000 for its current state. Confidence restored. She drafts an offer around $215,000 and includes the report. Emotions cool. Facts lead. Negotiation becomes a calm, data-driven conversation. Buyers avoid overpaying. Sellers price right. Pros move faster. Lenders and insurers streamline decisions with consistent valuations. GCV is a snapshot. Markets move. Inputs must be honest. Hidden issues or unique items reduce accuracy. Use inspections to verify. Try the demo on your phone or computer. No commitment. Select car or house. Enter basics. Calculate. Review the report. See the good news in action. Stop guessing. Start knowing.